won't help me at all learn my SAT.
But this will at your local library.
Oh.
Rock. What kind of rock is this? Wish I knew what it was.
Oh my god, OMG.
You can find all this information and more at your local library.
Cool rock.
It won't move. It won't move. Why won't the rock move?
Because you're weak.
I'm not weak.
You need to work out.
I'm strong.
You need to work out.
What is
Hey!
that?
Go to your library. Work out.